Setting up the water circuit and cables for the Cube LT. Once the location of the wine cellar and Cube LT system are determined, the first step is to run the insulated PEX lines for the water circuit, the PEX drain line, and the Ethernet cables. These connect the three components of the system: the RC4LT, also called the cooling radiator, located inside the wine cellar, and the control box and compressor, usually installed in the mechanical room or garage in a ventilated space with access to a drain. To operate the system, you'll need a 1/2-inch uninsulated PEX line to carry condensation to the drain, 2 1/2-inch insulated PEX lines for the closed water loop, and 2 Ethernet cables, one active and one spare in case the first gets damaged. For this project, a section of the wall was opened, and holes were drilled based on the cellar layout and the placement of the Cube LT components. In new construction, it's best to run all necessary connections before the walls are closed. In this installation, the PEX lines and cables are mounted on the wall, since the ISO case had to be aligned with the wooden beam, leaving space behind it, while the cathedral ceiling created an open void above. In a standard project, the connections would have been routed inside the wall and exited through the ceiling. The holes are typically drilled directly above the cellar to align with the planned location of the RC4LT. In this case, however, the spacing behind and above the cellar made it possible to drill lower on the wall, closer to the mechanical room, which simplified the installation.